If your crystal PvP feels slow, probably not because of your aim. It's because of your keybinds. Today, I'll show you the keybind setup that can make you switch items faster, react quicker, and improve your PvP. Before we talk about keybinds, install Marlow Optimizer. This mod makes crystal PvP feel much smoother by improving your overall gameplay experience. A lot of top crystal PvP players use optimization mods because smoother gameplay means faster reactions. If you're still playing without it, you're putting yourself at a disadvantage. I'll leave the download link in the description. Now that you've got the right mod, let's get into the best keybinds. Keybind 1. Totem. Let's start with the most important item, your totem. I keep it in my first hotbar slot because it's always within easy reach, and having a consistent location helps build muscle memory. Keybind 2. Obsidian. Next is obsidian. Since you'll constantly switch between Keybinds, keeping it right next to your crystal makes building and comboing much faster. Keybind 3. End crystal. My end crystals are in slot 3. This is probably the item you'll switch to the most, so make sure your keybind is comfortable enough to press repeatedly during fight. Sword. My sword stays in slot 4. It's close to my crystal setup, making it easy to swap between attacking, placing crystals, and finishing off opponents. Keybind Q. Cobweb. I keep my cobwebs in slot 5 because they're used for quick traps and clutch plays. I rebound this slot to an easier key so I can place webs instantly without reaching across my keyboard. Keybind Tab. Crossbow. My crossbow is in slot 6. Since it's not used every second, I bind it to a key that's still easy to press but doesn't interfere with my main combat keys. Keybind Tab. Ender Pearl. My Ender Pearls are in slot 7. Pearls are all about fast escapes and aggressive pushes, so I use a dedicated key that I can hit without looking at my keyboard. Keybind Z. Golden Apple. I keep my golden apples in slot 8. Whenever I need quick healing between fights, I know exactly where they are, and the dedicated key lets me switch instantly. Keybind C. Second totem. Finally, I keep another totem in slot 9. This acts as a backup, so if I need another totem quickly, I can switch to it immediately. Keybind X. Remember, these keybinds won't make you a pro overnight. The real improvement comes from sticking with one setup until it becomes muscle memory. Practice with the same keybinds every day, and after a week or two, you'll notice your switching speed become much faster. If this setup helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crystal PvP guides, and I'll see you in the next one.